Clear visibility is essential for safe driving. Washer nozzles help make that possible. They're one of those products drivers don't think about until they fail. The washer nozzles direct washer fluid onto the windshield in a specific pattern and location. This helps loosen stuck-on dirt, bugs and grime, or anything that might compromise visibility, allowing the wiper blades to clear the windshield. Proper operation can have critical effect on visibility, often more so in the winter, to help remove snow, ice, and the excess residue from road treatments that can cover a windshield in seconds. Because these nozzles are exposed to the elements at all times, they endure a lot. Typical problems include clogs, weak spray, or spray patterns that miss the wiper zone. Sometimes you'll hear customers describe the problem as only a little fluid comes out, or the pump runs but nothing sprays. Other times the nozzles may crack, snap off, or leak around the edges. The good news is washer nozzles are inexpensive and easy to replace. Many snap or clip into place and are easy to access on the hood, in the cowl, or on the end of the wiper arm. Clearing a clog may work temporarily, but replacement is the best option to ensure optimum performance. This makes nozzles a natural add-on when selling wiper blades and washer fluid. But don't forget, some nozzle tips are adjustable, so a misdirected spray may not require a new nozzle. At the counter, you can guide customers by asking a few quick questions like, does the fluid spray evenly? Does it reach the windshield at all? Are there leaks under the hood? These questions help identify a worn or damaged nozzle quickly and whether the washer hose leading to the nozzle needs to be replaced as well. It may be a small part, but a washer nozzle can make a big difference in keeping windshields clean, drivers confident, and vehicles safe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.